Are you ready to get hashtag mindblown?
You bet. I'm Haley, and this is Jackie, and we're from Discovery.
And today we're going to talk about the DIY Model Motor Engine Kit. This awesome 104-piece set allows you and your child to build a fully functioning engine from scratch.
Let them tinker with cranks, pulleys, belts, and valves. Simply plug the cables into the battery pack and watch your powerful engine come to life.
We designed the clear casing and LED lighting so you can watch all the action while the engine revs up.
If your child is constantly dreaming about their next greatest invention,
Then let them get hands-on with this engaging kit. We made this mini replica of a classic combustion engine to teach young minds
about the world of mechanical engineering. Here at Discovery, we make learning interactive.
Our detailed instructions allow parents to help kids understand what they're learning.
So encourage curiosity and get those kids off their electronic devices. Spark your little engineer's imagination and get hashtag mindblown
With the Discovery DIY Model Motor Engine Kit.